In this video, you will learn how to connect Autopilot to Robinhood, download and open the Autopilot app, install Autopilot on your mobile device, then launch the app to begin, sign in or set up Autopilot, log into your existing Autopilot account or create a new one to get started. Choose a pilot portfolio, browse through the available portfolios. This could be a politician or hedge fund tracker. Select the one you want to follow. Link to your brokerage account. When prompted, connect to your brokerage account by selecting Robinhood from the list of available. This is typically used to secure an integration service. Authorize a connection. Log in with your Robinhood account with the Autopilot interface, then grant the necessary to follow Autopilot to send trade instructions to Robinhood. Autopilot never holds your funds, and it will take place and trade through your existing brokerage account. Set up an investment account. Decide how much you want to allocate to the Autopilot. Autopilot will mirror the trades proportionally when the pilot makes a move. Now you know how to connect the Autopilot app to Robinhood. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.